Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is October 16th when I'm recording this, and it's been an interesting couple of days. The major markets like the SPX, NDX, and the semiconductors definitely got yanked down yesterday. I think the main reason was because of the ASML situation. They got their earnings accidentally released a day early, and I guess they weren't that good, so that they yanked the market down. That being said, if we actually look at the technicals, the market was a little bit overbought 2 days ago. So we look at this, the hourly was up there. There's a bit of a gap here on the daily chart. And so, it kind of makes sense. And the market's always kind of looking for an excuse to do whatever it actually wants to do. And the way that yesterday went, I was surprised at just how much it went down and for how long, basically all day. And so that told me that today was likely going to be a bounce. And part of the reason why I thought that today was going to be a bounce is because if you look at pretty much the rest of the market's doing well. You can look here at IWM. There was a little bit of a blip yesterday, but man, right back up today. You can look at the KRE, which is the regional banks. It's breaking out to new highs. That's doing great. You can look at XBI. Now, XBI's got some work to do to play catch up, but there's no denying that this is a nice, strong move, and any kind of pullback should be bullish and be a viable dip. So really the only areas that were getting hit primarily was the SMH and NDX, and the NASDAQ, or the S&P was having to follow suit. Like you can still see the SMH is still struggling from that move yesterday. And so today, the SPX kind of caught in the middle between the SMH NDX and the IWM, Russell, and all the other names. And so that's why I thought that it was going to move up today. And you can even see the NDX did catch a little bit of a bounce today. At least it wasn't going down, but it found some support, and I would like to think that this is going to end up being a buy the dip situation, and so we'll have to see if it kind of carries on into the future. So I guess maybe we could chalk this up to some increased volatility also as we get closer to the election. I guess I've even heard in some places they're starting early voting already. I'm like, wow, okay. So basically our elections take 3 weeks to complete, almost closer to 4. So we got a lot going on there. And then there has been some really crazy stuff going on with the nuclear sector, whether it's nuclear or uranium, all this kind of stuff. And you can even look at UEC as far as uranium. Yeah, big stuff going on. A lot of names are hopping into this because the idea of nuclear powering AI, I think, is really becoming a reality. So we've got a couple other names that are in the nuclear space that we actually just bought into today. I think we're up 15% already today, and we bought it today. So this is a really big space. And if you guys are interested in finding out what else that we're doing in the nuclear space, come on over to the Moxie Trading Room, and we'll see you in there, guys. Thanks again. Catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.